Hello, and welcome to the 50 session Profit Acceleration Series. Are you ready to grow your business? We're going to learn and discuss 50 different strategies that will help you close more sales and grow your business fast. I'm talking about foundational strategies to get your business on a solid footing. Strategies that will help you increase your number of leads, increase your conversion rates, and increase your customer transactions and profits. From the start, I want you to see that you should be able to double and then double again your business's profits as we implement these 50 sessions together. But is that really possible? Do we really have to aim to double our profits every time we try something? Actually, no. I'm going to prove to you right now that all you really need to do to double your profits are small incremental improvements across each of these 50 sessions. You've probably heard of the term Kaizen. It's the Japanese business philosophy of continuous improvement through small incremental changes. So, how does this apply to these sessions? When you go through the modules, don't be anxious as to how you're going to double your profits. Instead, I want you to think in terms of small 3% to 5% impacts. Let me give you some different examples so you can see how this works. We'll start with your market dominating position. Let's say that you're a real estate agent that works with home buyers. Instead of saying, I sell real estate, which is what every real estate agent says, you might position yourself so you stand out from the crowd by saying, I help families buy a home larger than they thought they could afford. Or to appeal to sellers, I might say that I can sell your home in 30 days or less and for top dollar, or I sell it for free. Or perhaps you own a daycare. You might currently say, we care about your children. Well, doesn't every daycare say the same thing? What if you said, we're the only daycare where you can watch your child online anytime? Or at our little Harvard, we promise to have your child reading at a second grade level before they enter kindergarten. Now, will these positioning statements double your business? They actually might. A good market dominating position might actually create a monopoly for you in your market. It might put your competitors out of business. We've seen it happen time and time again, especially if you're the only real estate agent or daycare that takes such a strong targeted position. But we don't have to be concerned about doubling or tripling or gaining a monopoly. Would you agree that these statements might easily generate a 10% increase in leads? And if we're being ultra conservative, don't you think a 5% impact would be a certainty? Let's say that you're getting 1,000 qualified leads to your website every year. A 5% growth is only 50 new leads a year. That's one additional lead per week. Can you get one extra lead a week to your website? When we help you develop a strong market dominating position, you could easily double your leads. Have you ever thought about reactivating your former customers? If you have 100 current customers and 200 former customers, send an invitation to the former 200 and include your new market dominating position, which we'll cover in our first lesson, and include an irresistible offer, which we'll cover after that. You only need 5 out of 200, or 2.5% of them, to respond in order to grow by 5%. You have 100 customers, you get 5 more, that's a 5% growth. With the right irresistible offer and a strong risk reversal, you might see 20 or 30 or even 50 of them come back to do business with you. Here's a final example so you can see clearly how we're going to help you. If you have 100 people walk in your door every day and only 20 buy, and 80 leave without buying anything, just offer those 80 an out the door special. If you convince just one of them to buy something, you've just grown your business by 5%. You now have 21 buyers instead of 20. That's a 5% increase. I think it's quite likely that you could easily convince 10% of those 80 non-buyers to buy something. That would give you 28 customers instead of 20. That's a 40% revenue impact, which would have an even greater impact on your profits. Now, will each of these 50 sessions double your profits? Well, some of them actually might, But we don't have to be concerned about doubling or tripling your business. Just a meager 3% to 5% impact over several areas can double the profits of most businesses. In this Profit Strategies series, we're going to spend time on these 50 modules. You can see from this list that we're going to be both systematic and comprehensive. You're going to find this amazing. Let's see what happens if we put some realistic numbers to our sessions. Let's say we have a small business doing just $500,000 in revenue and with a 20% net profit margin and a 50% gross profit margin. That's pretty average these days. If we help this business create a market-dominating position and they only saw a 5% impact, they'd increase their revenue by $25,000 and their net profit by $5,000, right? But that's actually not the correct way to calculate their new profit. We should measure the impact using their gross profit margin. The reason? This business has already paid their rent, their insurance, their salaries, etc. So all impacts should be measured using their gross profit margin, which is 50%, instead of the net profit margin of 20%. So this business will see a $25,000 increase in revenue and a $12,500 increase in profit, not $5,000. Now remember, they're currently making a net profit of 20% of $500,000 in revenue, or $100,000. So this additional $12,500 represents a 12.5% increase in profits. Now, guess what happens when we find this business an additional 5% impact by helping them create a compelling offer? Well, let's find out. One thing you don't do is to add the two 5% together. In reality, they compound on top of one another. Think of it this way. If you get a 10% impact on $100, you now have $110. But if you get an additional 10% impact on $110, you now have $121. With the first 10% impact, you make $10. With the second 10% impact, you make $11. In our example, with our first 5% impact, we increased revenue by $25,000. With our second 5% impact, we see an additional increase of $26,250. Here's what it looks like after our 50 sessions if we only get a 5% impact in each area. You can see that if we just added our 55% together, we total 250%. But because of the power of compounding impacts, we actually see a 1,046.7% impact. That's 796.7% more. And instead of making an additional $1.25 million, we actually make $5,233,700. That's $3,983,700 in additional revenue. But the news gets even better. Notice in this chart that we have our 1,046.7% expected increase in revenue. That represents $5,233,700. And since we have a 50% gross profit margin, we'll make an additional $2.6 million. Now compare that to your current profit of $100,000, and you've just made a 2,616.8% increase in your profits. And if we can cement those changes in place with good policies and procedures, that impact should last at least 5 years. So that means a $13,084,250 total impact. But consider this. In reality, you probably won't be able to implement everything we'll teach you. And you probably won't do it perfectly. Yes, you might see a 5% or 10% or 50% impact in some areas, and you might see very little in others. That's okay. We really don't need to see a 5% growth rate in each area, although we're going to aim for much higher than 5%. Do you realize if we only see a 1% increase in each of these 50 areas, your profit will more than double? Do you know how easy it is to get a 1% increase in any area of your business? It's child's play. Check this out. At 1%, you'd still see a 161.2% increase in your profits. Here's the key to getting you these dramatic increases. We'll handle the teaching. We give you the checklists. We give you the worksheets. We give you the action steps. We answer your questions. We help you solve your problems. But you have to do the work. You have to implement. You have to want this. Even if you implement poorly and only see a 1% impact in each area, it's all going to add up, I promise you. But unless you're willing to do your part, then all you'll receive is some intellectual entertainment. I want to encourage you to put in an effort that you can look back on with respect. Do that, and you'll see your revenue and profits grow. Come prepared. Come ready to play full out and help the others in your group. And they'll come prepared to help you. And together, we're going to establish a strong foundation in your business upon which you can build for years to come. I'll see you inside.